This is Doc Machina's second challenge lock, the Resident. It's the key, that's the bidding. Pick up. She sent it to me to try first, and I told her, oh, well, I'll make it look good. You know, I'll cost a little, throw some things. You know, make it look real good. And she said not to do that because nobody would believe me. So I guess we're just gonna pick the lock. I would have done it though, Doc. This is 47 thousandths Law Lock Tools and the number 3 from the Reaper set. So something on 1, something on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing on 5. Geez, I overset something. I might have overset something. I did. And it's slipping because I didn't have my vise tight enough. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. There's 5. 1, 2, 5. There's 4. And 1. And it's open. But that is The Resident by Doc Machina.